And I'm back. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Has this ever happened to you? I've been out on the job site all day and I don't have any freaking coffee. I wish I had a cup of coffee, but I'm nowhere near my house and I don't have any power or anything like that. Xenix. yeah. Hold on. You're out on the job site. You want some coffee, right? You want coffee. If you're like me, hold on. Got new neighbors. Great. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. If you're like me, you wish that you could have a hot cup of coffee wherever you are, out on the go, out on the job. What do you know? Xenix. This is the only K-cup capable coffee maker that's battery powered.
Takes a 5-hour battery.
You are good to go. I'm gonna go get a pod, show you what I mean. It's great. Hold on. Hold on, here's the deal. This is pretty cool. Oh, spin move. Okay, listen. Got a pod, put your water in. You spill it, because you're an idiot, of course. Spill it. What am I, a toddler? Okay, cool. I really am a troglodyte, aren't I? Look at this. It comes to the little guy for grounds. If you want to put coffee grounds in, you put this in there. If not, you just use this guy. Stick it in. Stick this little guy in there, right? Stick it in. Boom. You turn it on and let the coffee magic happen. And it is so fast. Check this out.
Yeah. Ooh. Black coffee. Oh, yeah. Black. Ooh, black and strong. Ah. Yeah. Caffeine. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh, big black coffee. Brewing your own coffee out of the job site is a freedom that every man needs and deserves. You screw your cap on and you can burn your tongue just like I just did. You got coffee, and what could be better than that? Your own hot coffee out on the job site. I think it's fantastic. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Now, Makita has coffee makers, has I think a couple of models. Of course, they cost a lot of money. Of course, they're Makita, but they don't do K-cups. This is the only one, battery powered, cordless. This is the only battery operated, uses K-cups. You don't have to do the grounds. This is fantastic. I think anybody out there who's been on a job site out in the cold, in the winter, can agree that being able to brew a hot cup of coffee on your job by yourself out there in the middle of nowhere is a luxury that, why not if you can do it, huh? Now, if you're into brand loyalty, check this out. Yeah, they done did it. You see, Xenix not only makes amazing coffee makers, they also make yard tools and drills and impacts. Take your battery straight off the coffee maker, you're ready to drive some screws. That's amazing. There's something weird about this, something a little different. You know, they're reinventing the wheel maybe. Look at that, the light's not on. You gotta turn it on, which is kind of interesting. It'll stay on as long as you want it on, I guess. Maybe, but if that's the only weirdness, so what? I like that it's something new, it's something different. I like the orange and the blue and the black. Pretty good. Xenix, I'll probably get the drill. This feels pretty good. Of course, it's from China. It's all from China, right? It's from China. They're all from China. Ooh, China, right? I got the 2-hour battery that came with it, and I hate my neighbors. Go. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. 5-hour battery is what you need for the coffee maker. That's what comes with the coffee maker.
5-hour battery.
Get a 2-hour battery with the impact. It makes for a light little package. That's what she said. Get to the chopper. Multiple speeds. Now, just like the Makita, reverse, full power. Forward, got control. You got 4 different speeds. Pretty cool. It also comes with the hooks that Ryobi doesn't. So it came with the little belt hook. Yeah, I could screw away to my heart's content. So I'm gonna get the drill so I can drill the hose and I can do the screwing with this. Drilling hose and screwing is what I do, and I lay pipe. I'm a guy. What can I say? Cenex, not sponsored. I don't think anybody would dare sponsor me. That's okay. But I do want to say that I'm a fan of the Cenex because I've got a yard. I could use some yard tools. Yeah. You know, they got like the 20 volt, they got the 60 volt, and I don't know what else they got, but they've got different levels of tools, and you can get the lawnmower with the big batteries and everything, and with the pruning and the reading and the, you could be a master weed abater with that thing. Weed tools, become a master weed abater as I am. Well, get a coffee maker, put it in your shop. You don't have to go inside. I don't have to spill coffee on my quartz countertops. I got coffee out in the shop. But then pull that battery off, drive some screws. Now, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something real quick. Hot coffee, hot coffee, hot coffee. It really is a game changer. It kind of boosts your whole day. Yeah, you can bring it in a thermos, sure, but you want to be the guy out there being able to make his own coffee. What could be better than that, really? I'm almost speechless, really. It's that fantastic. It is wonderful. But all I gotta say is Cenex is well worth it. It is just, it's beautiful. It's a freaking beautiful setup. It is just absolutely beautiful. Brushless, of course. Coffee. Good to be alive. I like my coffee like I like my broads. Light colored and creamy and full of calories and terrible for me. Coffee. You won't find another portable coffee maker that does K-cups. It is exciting to be able to do that. They also make tools. It's a win-win. It's wonderful, really. So I just wanted to show everybody that there's another alternative to Makita. If you don't want Makita, because maybe you like Milwaukee or something, this is the way to go. You can also plug it in to the wall and run it that way. Oh yeah, you can do that. Or just run off a battery. It really only takes a few minutes to brew the coffee, and it's fantastic. 5 hour battery. Who doesn't want more 5 hour batteries? The battery is nice too. It comes with rubber on the bottom, kind of like Milwaukee. Milwaukee does it, and I think my 8 hour DeWalt battery has rubber on the bottom too. It just screams quality is what it does. Fantastic. 20 volt, of course. Coffee. You get this cute little bag. You get a bag with the impact. And the impact was only 100 and really. So, people, I went to Lowe's online, $103 for the impact battery and the charger. It's a fantastic value. In closing, yes, Cenex makes yard tools. I'm a bit of a yard tool as well. They make drills and saws and reciprocating saws and things like that. And they make impacts, obviously. They make this coffee maker, battery powered, 20 volt, does K-cups where other companies, the other manufacturers, they do not. This is an unbelievable product. It's one of a kind. You need to get one or you suck as a man. Do your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, robot lover, whoever a favor and man up and get yourself a Xanax coffee maker today. Bye. Hi. You know you want one. Basically, it's something else. And you will not be disappointed. It is money well spent. Xanax. The end.